Hey guys, my name is Mike. Welcome back to Acura Honda Classic. Today, we'll be working on the ITR project. One of the things that we're doing today is the air conditioning. Car's all done. Unfortunately, the AC just stopped working. Well, what seemed to be a problem? But we find out that this little part here called the expansion valve inside the AC evaporator is no good. So the compressor and everything else isn't running 100%. So what we're gonna do now today is to go ahead and show you what we have to do in order for us to replace the expansion valve. But let's get started by evacuating the system. So what we're gonna do here is just we're putting AC gauges here with an AC machine, and we're gonna pretty much evacuate all the freon that's in the system into the machine. Alright guys, while the system is evacuating, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove the battery, the tray, so we can get to the evaporator. First, we put a towel on the brand new valve cover that we have, which doesn't get damaged, and we'll start taking off the battery. That's right, guys.
Yep. So, all that work because of this guy right here. So this is the expansion valve, part of the AC system. This is what the 90s, early 2000s, even the later 90s, this is what they look like. Newer ones are a little bit different. But the expansion valve is what converts the freon from a liquid to a gas, so that it can pass through the evaporator, blower motor takes it in, blows cool air on the inside. This guy goes bad, nothing works. So you can see it, small ports is basically what it uses to run this. The smallest bit of dirt, and she's no good. Here you have the sensor that reads the temperature, so it knows how to operate. And this is the going outside. So yeah, this is it. And it's all housed inside this casing here that Mike's working on. That's it right there. This is how she's set up. This will go right inside here. We'll make her like brand new again.
Y'all need a light or something right there? Looks like a little
Hey
light.
guys, this is Brian from Paint Society.
That's right. I got a little pickup right here. You know, you can. I think it's a little dark right here. What are you doing?
We're changing the expansion valve.
All right.
AC's not working, remember?
Oh yeah.
We gotta get that fixed.
Yeah, because you know, South Florida hasn't decided to get cold yet in November. So you just...
Yeah, so now we're just adding some Freon into the system, get the system working. Once we do that, we'll see how well everything's gonna work. Alright guys, so AC is running, everything's perfect, it's running nice inside. So next time you see us, we're gonna go back through the suspension, we're gonna fine tune everything, go back through the alignment, get everything where it needs to be.
We'll see you guys next time.
See you on the next one.